Welcome sa aking channel, and today we're going to be unstuffing some of our cash from our budget wallet. So this week I made like two budget. This one is for the home budget and one is from the office. So it's Monday to Friday. So let's check our weekly home budget. Oops. So it's all empty. So I have prepared 350 budget for the food and 300 for palengke or market. Budget for fuel, it's 150, and mga unplanned expenses at 200. So far na gamit lahat ang budget natin for sa bahay. So we now go to my work. Nag-budget din ako. So nilagay ko dito sa aking main wallet. So far, marami tayo na. See, so let's just count them out. So first is my, okay, we'll be putting it. First is my transpo. Kano ang na-save natin? So I budgeted 250 sa aking transpo and we're left with 125. So let's just take this out. So it's, so it's 125. Lagay lang natin dito sa ating pan. Ano ba to? Tray. So count natin. Ano gana yun? 125. Okay, and then next is the food. Okay, check muna natin yung details na food. So nag-budget ako ng 1.5 sa food and we're left with 523. So i-count natin siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 523. Bakit sobra ng piso? Anyway, 553 daw. So isulat lang natin 553, guys. Siguro na may nasamang ibang category. Plus, okay, and then we now move to the grocery. Ito, medyo marami akong grocery lately. So I budgeted 500 and we're left with 101 and 35 cents. 101. Ayan, 101 lang. So wala naman akong 30 cents. Although may 30 cents doon, ayoko na siyang ipo. So let's say 131. 101 pala, sorry. 101, yep. So that's 779. Malaki-laki din ang aking na-save. And then guys, last but not the least is the miscellaneous. So I budgeted here 1,000. So meron natirang 579. Let's take out all the money. Let's take out all the money. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 570. 579. Ayan. Wow, 579. Uy, very nice. So, next week, magbabawas ako ng budget ko kasi marami pa na natitira. Okay, plus 579. Ay, nag-minus siya. So, ulitin natin. 145 plus 553 plus 101 plus 579. So, meron tayong savings na 1378. Check lang natin. 1378. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bakit sobra? Wait. Okay, so 7, 8. Parang may kulang. Anyway, so yan yung ating so ilalagay natin sa ating savings challenge. So for the first one, we'll go with the ano ba ito siya? Okay, the random numbers. Random numbers to siya. Lalagyan natin dito, guys. Yung ating na-save na money. So, this one, isa lang siya. So, this one, isa. So, may 50 tayo, diba? I'll put 150 here. Isang 50 dyan. And then, here we go. Isang 100 dito. Ayan. Simulan tayo mag-budget na mag-insert din ng 200. Ayan, so yan yung ating isang savings challenge, 100 days challenge yan. Okay. And then the next one is this one. The 30-50. Ito, dalawa na to. So meron pa akong 50 dito na natira. Ay, mas bago to, guys. Balikan natin. Kunin natin yung luma to. Okay, sorry. Okay, luma. Asan na yung luma kanina? Mas luma kasi ito. So, ito yung change natin. It's 950. So, ito naman, ito yung aking invisible 50. Yan. So, lagyan natin dito. Pang 14 na niya, oh. Next challenge. Ito namang next challenge is called Ipon 5,000 per year. So, gagawa ako ng dalawa nito na challenge. Kasi, parang dali lang niya. So, na-complete na natin ang January. So, we will go to February na siguro. So, merong 100. Naglagay na ako dito ng mga 30-20s, guys. May naka-ready na. So, eto, 20 is 120 ang kailangan. So, ilan natin ng color. Ito, guys. Ayan, 120. May 120 na tayo nilagay for February. Ito, 1. Nagdagan natin siya ng 20. This one here. Yan yung pinakauna natin. 120. Ayan. So, may 120 na ang ating February. Then, the next, may 120 na. So, January ko tapos na. This is a 5K challenge. Yung aking January, done na ako may 150, 100, 150. So, ayan. Ito na 150. Ayan. Nakabay ano siya. So, ito naman ang February, guys. Naglagay na rin ako ng 100. 120 for the first lot. Ayan. 120. Ayan. Naglagay na ako. And then, next niyan is, kukumpray naman natin yung 50 natin sa next week. Ayan. So, okay na ito. And, what will happen to na remaining money na naiwan. So, ang mangyayari, i-roll over ko pa rin ito na budget for next week. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800 to. So, i-roll over ko pa rin ito as budget for next week. So, now, meron ako ditong mga alkansya. So, ang gagawin ko, I'm just selecting lang. So, this one here, guys. Kita nyo itong ganitong lumang gold na ganito. Parang gold in gold color. Yan. So, ihuhulog ko siya dito. Yan. So, all lang ganito na mga coins. Nakasave din siya dito. Yan. Same lang yan. This is 5 pesos na ganito ang design. Yan. Tapos, dito naman sa isa, this is my 10 pesos. Kasi I'm planning to buy mga parang alahas for this one. Okay? Kasi daw, investment din naman yung alahas. So, might as well save na rin tayo for that. So, this is 10 pesos. So, I'm putting here now. That's it. Okay, folks. So for next month, for next week of next month, so I'll be preparing my budget for next week. So probably next week sa home budget, same pa rin ang gagawin natin. So, aayusin ko lang. Maglalagay ulit ako ng mga money inside here. And then, we're good to go. So, that's just it for now. So, watch out also for my 50 pesos challenge, daily challenge. So, naglalagay ako ng mga 5 pesos for each of the category na nandito. Itong mga naka-wallet na to. So, yan ay lahat mga sinking fund ko yan. So, yun lang muna guys. Hopefully, na-inspire ko kayo mag-save then on your own. Bye for now! See you next time!